Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to video 7, where I'm going to show you how to set up the autoresponder with the Power Lead system that you get, the built-in autoresponder. And then I'll show you how to connect an outside autoresponder if that's something you want to do. But for right now, I'm just going to show you how to use the Power Lead system autoresponder that comes with your Power Lead system. All right. So what you want to do is you want to go to email and then go to email, voice, text, email, and then view, edit campaigns. All right. Once you get to the screen, you're going to hit make an editable copy of one of these campaigns. All right. So click on the link. And for this purpose, we're just going to type in tutorial capture emails. Okay. And hit create this campaign. And that's going to create a campaign. And then we're going to get a drop down. It says, please choose a campaign to copy its emails. And this is where we're just going to copy the emails that the system already has, the templates, so to make it a lot easier for us to just get up running, get up and going. All right. So I'm just going to choose this lead lightning opt-ins, 9 messages only for lead lightning. All right. And we're going to hit add this campaign to tutorial capture emails. All right. Boom. There we go. Now we have those emails inside our new campaign of emails that we just created called tutorial capture emails. All right. And here is the 8 emails that the system is going to send out on your behalf to whoever enters your email. And now I'm going to show you how to edit the emails so that they match your whatever company you're promoting. So all you do is just go to view edit. And this is going to be the first email that goes out. Days of delay is 0. Subject, this first name, this is the code the system uses to input whatever they to input their name, whatever they put their in their first name. Sorry, in the name box when they enter their email, that's what's going to appear there. So that's why it looks like that. So for this, you're just going to change why you need, uh, and in this case, we used this as a substitute, right? Altitude, spelled it. All right. Why you need digital altitude, right? We just replace lead lightning with our company name. You can do whatever you want. You can change the full subject. It doesn't matter, whatever you want. So see here, we can see the first email. I'm so excited about lead lightning. So what we want to do is we just want to modify these emails so they make sense, right? You don't want to be sending them stuff that says lead lightning in it if what you're promoting isn't lead lightning, okay? So that's why, and then we just want to make sure it makes sense. And now the next step is to get your links in here. You can see that again, percent hot page ID. This is the code the system uses so that it can send people to this to your lead lightning page and give you credit for your affiliate link being clicked and give you credit for the sale. So what we want to do is change that from the lead lightning to whatever company you're promoting. And this is why we did that one step in step 4 so that you can have your company link in there and get the proper code you need to put in these emails, right? So in order to do that, we're just going to go to link this blue section here, link to a company promote, and we're going to find digital altitude, all right? That's the link we set up for the demonstration, right? We just use digital altitude and then I put my blog link in there. So now all we're going to do is we're going to, after we select digital altitude, our little our test here, we're going to hit, excuse me, we're going to highlight the lead lightning stuff and we're going to hit add. And what's going to happen is it's going to add that in. we'll do it right down here. So you can see there's a Lee Lightning sales page link. You just highlight it, and then we hit add. And that's going to add our company link inside our emails, which is going to be awesome because when the emails go out and if people decide to join or they are interested, they'll click on the link and they'll go straight to your sales page. And when they click on your link and sign up, you're going to get credit for that commission, right? So that's pretty cool. So once we're done editing this, we're gonna hit save. We're just gonna actually delete that. Save changes, and we want to keep that sent on day 0. So what we're gonna do is hit digital altitude up here. All right, you can see that changes it. And then I'm just gonna do one more for an example. Sent on day 1. Let's say we want to stagger them a little bit. You can put 2 and then 3, 4, 5, 7, 9. So you can do this if you want to stagger them a little bit, make your autoresponder, whatever you want to do. You can just test out to see what works, or you can just keep them on the same day and have them sent one each day, whatever you want. So that's just another option. So let's go ahead and edit the second email. And just like the first, hey, first name, which is the code that the system uses. Yesterday you requested to know more about digital altitude, right? So I'm just going to highlight this just in case we see more Lee Lightning stuff. More importantly, I wanted to make sure you saw this. And again, we're just going to highlight this, find digital altitude, which is our test for this purpose, for this tutorial. And we're going to hit add, and you can see it's going to change our company link. And then we'll see this doesn't fit. I think it's a $1 trial. So you can just like make sure it makes sense. Again, you can see the link. So we're just going to hit add and blah, 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 blah. Talk soon. And it's going to put your first name, your last name, and your phone number in there because that's the code the system uses. So whatever you put in your profile is going to show up there. And then you hit save changes. Boom, you're done. And you pretty much just go down the list here and you edit all these emails. That way, you want to sit there and write your own emails. You can just use a system one until you learn more skills in marketing, and then you can put your own emails. Or if the company gives you some emails, you simply do what I just showed you, view edit, and you add your company's emails in there that they give you, the copy and paste, and then put your link in like I've been showing you using the system here. And once you're done doing all that, it's already automatically saved for you, and then you can go in and make sure everything's correct through testing, all right? All right, guys, now we're going to get into a little more advanced email setup. If you're if you're choosing to set up your own autoresponder like Aweber or GetResponse outside of PowerLead system, and you want to use that with the PowerLead system, you can. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. So in this example, we're going to use Aweber, all right? Um, it's a pretty good autoresponder, and I've used it before. All right, so what you want to do is you want to go to manage websites. So websites, manage websites. All right, and you're going to get to this page. So over here it says choose which domain to set up. We're going to select. You're going to select your domain that you brought in, or your subdomain that you're using for your capture page. In this case, I'm going to look for it, see if I find tutorial sale dot New Wealth Careers. All right, I'm going to hit save my choice. And then it's going to bring you to this page, choose your sales page, and it's only have one, so just save my choice. Now right here, choose which autoresponder campaign prospects receive. So if we're not going to use the Power Lead system, we're going to uncheck this, and we're just going to check in Aweber. And you can see here, you can either choose GetResponse or Aweber. I already have GetResponse set up, but if you're going to choose GetResponse, just follow these same steps. It will say set this up on the next page in the drop down, and you simply just select the check mark on whichever autoresponder you want to use, and make sure to set this up on the next page. So in this case, we're doing Aweber. We're going to set this up on the next page and hit submit. And then it's going to bring you to the initialize Aweber or a initialize GetResponse, page. Okay. And all you're going to do is when you get to, just follow these instructions. This is right here. We can put website visitors who opt in your web page directly from your Aweber account. When you click the link below, you'll be sent to the Aweber permission page. So if you have Aweber, you simply just select this. You just click this link right here when you're ready, and follow the instructions. And once you log in, you're going to get an authorization code text box uh, to set up your Aweber account. All right. All you do right here, see? So you click on the link, use your login name and your password for Aweber, and hit allow access, and you'll be set up. All right. For GetResponse, it's the same thing. It's gonna bring you out to, it's gonna say initialize GetResponse, and you're gonna have to input your API key. All right. So all you do is simply go into your GetResponse account. I'm gonna show you. All right, guys, I found it. So what you want to do is you go to my account. All right, and account details. And once you get to here, you're going to see this API and authorization. Simply copy your API key. You take it back over to Power Lead system, follow the instructions, and you enter it, and then you'll be able to connect your GetResponse email to your Power Lead system. So that's how you do that, and that's pretty much it. And now we're going to get to the next video, where it's video 8, where I'm going to show you where we're going to test everything to make sure the emails from Power Lead system are hooked up correctly and everything's working correctly. So I'll see you in the next video.